Australia, transmitting the overseas service of the Australian Broadcasting Commission on frequencies in the 25 and 41 meter band. Welcome now to our program in Japanese.